Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, May 20th, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a warm front that has pushed well to the north of the region. We do still have a few showers, capable of some heavy downpours up towards northeastern Pennsylvania. Otherwise, we have scattered broken cloud cover, a few areas of fog, especially around eastern, southeastern Pennsylvania, reducing visibility below 6 miles. But other than that, scattered broken cloud cover and winds from the south-southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-60s on Long Island, mid-60s to lower 70s over the northern interior and New York City metro, and lower to mid-70s in the Philadelphia metro. It is going to warm up to be a very warm day with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid-80s everywhere else throughout the region. So with those warm temperatures, that also means there's a threat for thunderstorms, especially this afternoon between 2 and 6 p.m. throughout the region, and a few of those thunderstorms could be rather strong. When you take a look at the satellite picture, there's a warm front lifting northward. Now our cold front is back to the west. Notice there's not much in the way of cold cloud tops. As we move towards this afternoon, especially after about 1 p.m., we'll start to see a nice cumulus field build over central Pennsylvania on up through western New York, and that cumulus field will basically give way to showers and thunderstorms that will march through eastern Pennsylvania first around 1 to 2 p.m. and continue to push eastward from 2 to 6 p.m. throughout the rest of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. By about 8 p.m., pretty much those showers and thunderstorms will be off the coast. So the evening rush hour in some locations will be a little bit dicey, but if you have any plans to go outdoors, let's say for a Mets game after 7 p.m., you have a pretty good evening on the way with winds shifting to the northwest and lower humidity on the way. But the evening hour, the afternoon and early evening hours from about 2 to 6 p.m. will be pretty stormy around here. So let's dive into this forecast. Again, our warm front continues to lift northward. Our cold front pushes towards the region this afternoon. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid-70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid-80s everywhere else, with showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Now that cold front pushes off the coast this evening, and by tomorrow morning, we'll have clearing skies, lower humidity, winds from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and lows in the lower to mid-50s. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure will be in control with clear skies, highs in the mid to upper 60s. For Wednesday, look for high pressure in complete control with light and variable winds, lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Thursday, a warm front will approach with a few isolated showers. Not a washout, but just keep an eye to the sky. Look for lows in the lower to mid-50s, highs in the mid to upper 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s on the immediate coast, and mid to upper 70s everywhere else. On Friday, an area of low pressure and cold front will move through in the morning hours. We're going to watch this low pressure system as it could produce a rather impressive line of thunderstorms in the morning hours, just in time for the rush hour. Right now, there's a threat here for some very heavy downpours on Friday morning that we're going to have to watch out for. Clearing skies towards the afternoon. Look for lows in the lower to mid-60s, highs in the lower to mid-70s. On Saturday, high pressure and complete control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid-60s on Long Island and upper 60s to lower 70s everywhere else. On Sunday, a cold front will move through with some scattered showers. Now, the position of this cold front is going to be very important for the rest of the Memorial Day weekend, because to the south of this cold front, warm conditions will be in place. We're talking about 70s and 80s. To the north of the cold front, we're talking about 50s and 60s with overcast skies and scattered showers. So, for Sunday, look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the mid-70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, lower to mid-80s everywhere else. Again, watch out for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not a washout, but clearly something we have to keep an eye on. On Memorial Day, where this front stalls out and sets up for the rest of the day will be key in determining what to expect. To the north of the front, guess what? Marine air mass trying to build south, And with that marine air mass, we're talking about temperatures in the 50s and 60s with scattered to broken cloud cover and showers. Just south of the cold front, much warmer. We're talking about temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s for lows and lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, and then upper 70s to mid 80s as you get a little bit further into that warmer air mass. So you're going to set up a very tight thermal gradient throughout the region with this stationary front. So we're going to have to watch this very carefully. A very volatile forecast for Memorial Day. One thing I can tell you, it will be a rather active weather pattern. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.